In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a new YouTube channel. So this is one of the most asked questions, but it's very, very simple and easy to do this. So let me show you guys how to do this. So hop on YouTube like this, tap on this here. If you're using a mobile phone, just tap on your mail here, tap on that. Good. So on that, move to your settings. On a mobile phone, you can do same. On a PC, you do same as well. So here, add and manage your channels. So a single email can have multiple channels, you get it. But then if you don't have any channel, here is going to be blank. So you see I have 3 different channels here. But then if you don't have any channel, it's going to be blank. So you tap on the create channel, simple and easy. Give the channel a name. So let me do it. Amazing guy. You get it, automatically they generate a handle for me. Probably Amazing Guy has been taken as a handle, so they generate it for me. So let me make it more simpler. Amazing Guy 1 2 3, probably taken because it's simple. 1 2 3 4 5, taken. No, it's not taken. Good. So now I proceed to create my channel. I wait for it to reload. You can upload your image here. Sorry, I had to upload an image. There's a channel here. Customize your channel, manage your videos. So now let's move to our YouTube studio, just like every YouTube channel has. So we tap on that to customize it, and you're going to do everything, and it's going to appear at the front end of your YouTube channel. Simple and easy. This is very, very simple. I mean, you get it. So when you customize your channel, you come here, you upload an image, you upload a cover image that's going to appear on a mobile phone, a PC, a TV, everything. You add a description, the links and everything. And that's it on how you can create a YouTube channel. Simple and easy. If you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. I'm going to do that. I'm going to answer you. Peace.